Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game and then I decide what I work on. Starting takes a bit, I can still play what I want. One command in the terminal, wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. Okay, I know where to continue. First play one round, still waiting for a few lines. Still waiting. Should be ready. It runs in the browser. Local lost for me. I start fresh, so I delete my state. Okay, start once. I'm the guy in the middle. First I have to choose a class. I choose, what do I do? Let's take sniper. The sides are enemies. If I can come close to them, they attack me. The bar above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die. And if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. Oh, goal is to get as far away as possible. I get stronger the more I kill, and enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. Now, this was a short introduction. Now until I die or win. Sniper, it's easy at the start. I can just shoot enemies before they react to me. Careful now. I should be able. Okay, first boss I take. I have to take no miss chain. Additional charge. It's the stacks up. 15. Okay, if they don't attack me, stacking up is easy. Easy. Wait. Here. With no miss chain is to be very careful not to miss. In a panic mode, is what happens. I take split shot and trail. $73. Uh, okay, let's go completely on damage. Have to be very careful. All my damage is dependent on having my effects up. Reload, boss is incoming. This shouldn't be the smallest problem. Stay still is a stronger version. Another speed. Just a bit. Did I on both sides? Oh, I'm low on stacks. Or I lost a few. Next boss ink. Stay still synergy. This would affect my split shot, so I take it. It's cooldown. Oh. So let's reload. Try to get my stacks up again. Okay. Let's wait for the boss. Range was the last multiplier. So I one-shot probably everything. It's quite one-shot. What is it? Still enough. That's in my wife. Let's wait for the boss. Another mist chain. I take another charge. Okay. Careful, they could still add. Load, stack up. It, and now pull him a bit to the sides. To have more than enough damage. Yes. Oh, I fucked. Okay. I think I had the highest single target upgrades I could get. 2.8 million damage per second. Yep, okay, seems fine. So this was one round. What did I hit for? 639,000 plus one split shot upgrade, 127. It gets the upgrade from stay still, and this is why it's so low, I guess. Okay. What do I work on today? Increase version first. 41 should be today. Next, I continue with poison beam and turning, which was not correct yet. There's some angle which fails, and I to activate modifier. I think for a moment. This is not what I need. The poison beam is the interesting one, I guess. And the turning. So I currently don't know what values I need here. This might be that a case is missing. So I did check if I add, I check if it's too big or it's small to add 180 degrees, so I'm in the same value range as the calculated direction. I think for a moment. Is the difference, and if the difference is bigger or smaller than 0? And smaller than 180, I do it. We could try to add a second case. Or and see what happens where I'm bigger and this is bigger. Can this happen? I will see. Let's see what happens. Start. I need close courses. And no, he's here. So what I need is he does this and okay. Feels correct. I don't see any not working. I need to go here. Charge, and now he's a bit slower. Just different, but okay. Small. Let's take immunity away. Okay, here I can outrun it. If I'm too close, it's also dangerous. Okay, I assume this might be correct. This is what I not add yet. Prison beam. Turn fix, I hope this fixes it. So, second ability. Slow charge up. Shoot once, charge up full, or when player moves again, stronger depending on charge up. Turn will fire for some amount of... I have my test values. No. I did... Is my... I think I increased the... 2 3 second maybe. Let's try this one. Balance it back to some value which seems fair. Let's die once. So now I to try a bit. he shoots, I wait. Now he is. Okay. Stay here. Charges, and I cannot even move. Interesting. Does nearly no damage. Choose, wait. No, unlucky, and I move. I think this is too slow. Until now it's pretty fast and deadly. Okay. This is calculated, so let's see. I will increase this a bit. Then I'm happy, I guess. Poison beam balancing. No. Shoot once, charge up. When player moves again, stronger depend on. Lot of damage. I think this is all done. Slow charge up, will shoot once, charge up, follow when player moves again, stronger depend, yes. Can slowly turn, will fire for some. Yes, does a lot of damage, yes. Charged up version at least. Okay, so it's also percent based. The shrinking it at least cost HP. I still need the image third ability when player very close. Melee owl damage poison which goes for some time. Okay. I understand. Let's take Poison Cloud. I can ignore. Close a few things. Do I copy Poison Beam? I think I'm closest to this one. So rename. Poison. Should I call it? Also, basically, Poison Aura. Let's call it Poison Aura. I will have far less values, but I will see. Poison Aura. Poison Aura. Poison Aura. I have a cooldown, yeah, fair. Last cast time. Last player move time, I don't care. Target player ID, I don't care. Beam direction, I don't care. Charge percent, I don't care. Beam start time. Damage, next damage tick. Okay, next damage tick, I have a tick interval, that's fine. Max distance, max radius. And it would be, let's say 250, I will fill down over time. HP cost. HP percent damage. This is fine, but 10%? Let's do 5%. Cooldown. Doesn't necessarily need a cooldown. Why? No, I won't use a cooldown. Standstill time, max charge time, beam delay, turn speed, beam duration, damage tick interval, fine. Oh. So the max radius, maybe have also const start radius. Or something. Maybe it goes fast, starts. Oh, I start with 0 and it will go slow and fast at the start. So ability, poison aura. I didn't check, is here a cloud in still? Nope. They cleaned up. I'm in aura, so poison aura. Didn't see it. And ability. To think a moment. Do I have a last cast time? So maybe it's a cast start, and based on this I can determine the radius. Could have a duration like 5 seconds. Something like row duration. Let's try this one. Let's go to 250, it doesn't matter that much. It's damage tick. Okay, let's try. I don't have a player ID. I will have last cast time need to exist. It's not poison beam, this is poison aura. I have a pain pose, so I check if last cast time is. If it's undefined, I return. Just one pain case, I guess. And this is the order. Check. Could I paint it and then get the position? Here I paint. I should have no. Global alpha is fine. Stroke style, this will be a fill style. Line width doesn't matter, begin pass, move to doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, line 2 doesn't matter, stroke will be a fill and I want an arc. Position is a paint position, paint pose, X, paint pose, Y. The radius is I have poison, aura, last cast time. This is a time minus, no, other way around. Game state time minus this. This gives me how much time has passed if I divide it by row duration. This gives me percentage value. No. And if I multiply this by max radius or something, yes, max. I should have the radius. Now I should do a full circle. And that's it. Do I need a reset? Probably just last cast time. I can also tick Poison Beam. No, not Poison Beam, I don't care. Was with next damage tick is also undefined. Okay, tick ability. This will be different. The damage tick might be similar, like keep it. Let's beam width at players. Something like this. If poison beam, not next damage tick, but if poison beam last cast time, if this is undefined, then I would need to check if a player is close, else I would need to check if I need to hit someone. So need to find the closest player. Well, can determine closest character. Now I check what do I do if I have a character and he is close enough. So if I don't have a character or he's too far away, this is let's call it trigger distance. Would it be 50 or something? So if I'm bigger than that, I would turn, nothing to do. Now I have a character and he's close enough. This would poison beam. Last cast time should be now. Game state time. And the same for next damage. Next damage tick would be plus tick interval. Damage tick interval, here it is. Okay, so now I have set the last cast time. I go here. Is it already time for a damage tick? Also any function get radius. So I have the poison aura, and I need ability poison aura. Need the time, don't I? Time number. Did I return a number? I calculated it already. So I have the time. It's could be undefined. Return 0. As I return this. Correct. It's the radius. Time. Game state time. And now, so it's tick time. I set it to the next tick. I do this. Second, I need to check. Let's go. Const radius is this one. It's an hour. Being assigned. I fail. If Poison Aura last cast time is plus go duration is game state time, I would reset and I would return. Guess that's it. Now I need to calculate circulates, so Poison Cloud does it. To do. This is not a to do. And I take ability object. It is player characters. Calculate. Oh, I need to calculate distance to each player character. And then, okay, something like this would it be. So a little bit different than here, I guess. Let's work. So radius, calculate distance. I need to import from ability owner to player. I have the radius. And now I have ability name, I guess. And the one is undefined, okay. HP cost. Maybe. I wanted the radius to go fast and well, first look if it works. Need unused. I need to add the ability to the boss. You can have the ability. Then aura. This should be fine. Go here, so now if I go close. Okay. I probably would add close again. This costs me HP. Maybe I make a fade time. Now I want to give him HP regeneration. More or less. So it works as expected. It might be fine. If a to-do change? Yes, it's a to-do change. Task. So I think this is already good enough. What was the damage? Didn't check. I go in, it begins to go 10. Okay, this hurts. No, didn't make it. Let's give him HP regeneration. Poison plant. Push. 80 HP regen. Can I put here ID counter? Game state ID counter. No, this is on the back amount. Is it per half second? Mount interval, yes, per half second is the default. I could change this to maybe I will. Okay, but now this would mean I wouldn't lose HP. I only trigger this one. Okay, now I have the problem I don't understand, because if I don't find out, I have to run out, then I now can see that he loses HP. Oh, he regenerates it back. I should. Okay, and can wait here, and so it's possible to defeat him once. Can this was. It's not hard, but you have to understand it, which is what I want, I guess. No, 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 no. Thirds, why didn't he activate? Thank you. For some reason, it feels like I don't make any progress in the HP. Weird. So something feels off. Make myself immune and trigger everything. Why doesn't he lose HP? This is very strange. Can get to half, but then it stopped. I don't have any damage on this. Why does it stop? It did die before. Something is off, but I don't know what. Let's find out his HP or HP reg, I guess. HP reg doesn't grow on lower values. He was able to kill himself. So maybe HP reg is doing something I did not expect. Let's go here. And unpause. He ticks by 1. HP. Ah. Oh, oh, oh. He has 39,000 HP. This takes a while. This is true. So I have area boss scaling. And this I cannot override. Well, I could. Does the snowman also scale? Although he has 1 HP, so... Wait. I need to check the snowman, I guess. Because he should be scaled. The HP max is 100. Then I set max HP and... I would need to area boss functions, scale with boss level. I have a function I call. I don't want to scale it at all. Something doesn't add up in my head. I could use scale with boss level to override the default. Let's find out. This one is called... The moment I spawn a boss. Then I could check that I call this for each or do a default one maybe. Export function area boss scale HP on boss level scale HP. Put here in the level number. They have an area boss, something like this. Now I could do this one. Level modifier. Level modifier? What is level modifier? Okay, I have a min level. Let's copy this. I have a scale HP. This would be move it. I move too much, I guess. Maybe move this. Now I check. I have the function to do this, else I scale HP was so this would. I have a problem because the function do it. Oh no, this is not what I wanted. Who uses it? It was with level is a think for a moment. I need to do it here. He's the only one who uses it. I go to poison, go to poison plant. Now I import it was the level scale with was level function don't need any do not scale basically when scaling event default scale writing I still use the snowman image. Okay, next. Should still have where it is gone, so I go near to trigger the second. I trigger beam. I need to see if Okay, 33 seconds. Two can still a bit. No. Okay, let's make myself invincible so I can easily. Okay, I don't need this. We're not close enough. Okay. Cannot see his HP. Okay, it's low. I did never start. So does he? His HP. Goes if I don't do anything, it seems. So if he shoots all 2 seconds, it costs 2 HP. Then he gains HP over time. So I have to trigger his other things. Okay, 13 seconds left. But normally it did scale his HP directly. Okay. As a boss, now the question is. Okay, he didn't scale his HP. That's the next boss spawn, so one more. Don't. Far too fast. Next boss spawn. No, I didn't want to kill him. There's a bit of I need to see. It keeps this color. How the abilities are visible. Seems fine, I guess. I see everything still. Maybe this needs a. Okay, now I have poisoned. Now I need to trigger stuff. Okay. So HP is a resource I need to. And I managed. Wait, so now I get the ice curse, but. So this is what I expected to happen, which is good. So I could still add everything besides this one. Poison, plant, ability, poison aura, commit. It's my time, I'm still early. I delete unused. I have to think. Game task. Third ability. I think it's done. Cannot be damaged. Is done. All damage, also percentage, is done. Shrinks based on HP is not done. So poison, plant, image. I need. And what else? An image, it should shrink. I need the curse. curse, poison. Currently doesn't exist. Based on the level, how should it work? Did I write down? Ability to all enemies. Twice ice tiles. Poison tiles change my own. Maybe higher poison. More tiles converted more frequently. Something like this. Higher poison curse. More tiles converted more frequency. Higher range. Something like this. Maybe first lower time of conversion and change. No, maybe everything area. It's the ice. I want. No, I think it's more the range. More poison curse. Yeah, wait, yes, this is it. This is my. Maybe it's dangerous? Not dangerous. High radius, lower tick interval. Quiet. So if I changed more tiles with one tick, I don't need to tick as often, maybe. I was worried that if it grows too fast, too big, it might be a performance issue, but this should fix it. So I need an image. Poison plant, cartoonish. A leaf, poison symbol. Don't know. This reminds me of Super Mario, Fish Island, but maybe I should use the same color I use for poison effect. Did I use? I have no idea. Start. Do I? No, it's safe not being there. I will not have enough. More try. Yes, it's enough. Let's go kill the spider. Perfectly missed. Now let's go die. So I have save point. Now let's go to here. This color I want. I need to think for a second. Like to turn this off if I ask my GIMP. It's ready. I want maybe snow. I want to know what size I paint. I'm unsure. Recently news. I don't want these. Tell me. Game dev. Public images. What is the snowman would maybe be the best indication of what size I have. 40 times 40. Really? I knew I go 80, I guess. Alpha channel. I wanted the color. I don't know what color this is. We make a screenshot, put it in, and what color is this? No idea, but now one. Go and delete everything. No. Paste it there. Minus size, don't make it bigger. Delete everything again. I have this color. Now I need some. It's something like this, or more like this. I'm unsure. It does attack in a way, so. But I will never animate it long term. But this might at least have a. So I should have a mouse, so. From which it could shoot beams. It could be eye beams. But because it cannot move, I think having it in a pot might be reasonable. So let's go back. So let's make a pot. Something like this. And now he has some kind of plant in. And so plant usually would expect to be thin with leaves. And I want like this. Two leaves here. And I have some space here basically. Still don't know how I should do it. Something like this might be it. Let's go this design, I guess. Teeth like some stuff. Okay. This is my, so it's close to this, I guess. And now I probably fill it with this color. Can I do green? What is green? Is this green? Let's assume it's green. What color? I have no idea. Just some gray value, maybe. Okay, this is now my poison plant. Did not look quite like a plant, but save as. Game dev, public images, sun plant. Export as poison plant PNG to game dev images, correct? I now have my poison plant, I guess. I need to think I need to do is poison plant area boss and change. This is from somewhere. No, okay. So I take over this type, area boss type, image area boss type, poison, and this will be used here. This will be poison plant. Poison plant. I think I wrote it small. I have to check. Do I write images? Case, yes, it seems. Now, I don't have, I have 80/80, but I want to paint it as 40/40. I don't know how I do painting. Image, draw image, bright width, bright height. Okay, I take these. I could choose them from the image, doesn't matter. I have a character width and height. I paint it. And now let's see if we start. I did not. Why? I changed the image. Is it saved? No. Is it? Oh, I use still the snowman image. Do I paint? Paint. Yes, I do this one now. Perfect. Okay, there's my poison plant. Oh, I would need to shrink it in its pot, but not for now. I want this to be painted differently in size. So I set character width and height, I guess. So on tick, I'm not dead. This entire stuff doesn't matter. Plant. I could do plant width is equal to plant max HP let's say 20 is my smallest, and I need a percentage plus 60 times and HP divided by max HP. This is my percent value. And oops. Now I would say plant 8, also plant widths. What did I do? Now it grows and shrinks based on HP, I guess. Try. Okay, now this is big. Does it shrink? I feel like it's shrinking. Might be my imagination. This is dangerous. Okay, can outrun it. Too much. 10 out. Maybe it should be a minimum damage from the beam, but okay. I see it's shrinking. And that. Perfect. Okay, so I have my poison plant image. Poison plant image, shrinks based on P I did. And I need the curse. I still have enough time, I guess. So let's drink a bit. I need curses. Curses are here. What is... Ice curse might be the closest. Is it? Because it gives an ability? Ah, the ability... It's not scalable. Eiseife. Emily Helmi. Okay. Let's copy it, rename. This is my poison, curse poison. Rename stuff. Poison. So if I clean up imports, delete poison, curse poison, this ice is curse poison, tick interval. What do I need? I will need a poison ability ID reference. I don't tick, I guess. Let me think. I don't think so. Radius. The curse has a level, which is. I need remove. Add curse poison. Create. I have not a tick interval. Color blue. Do you like pickles? What were pickles again? Worken. I think kinda. If I eat burgers, there are pickles on them most of the time, so I guess I would like them. But I don't remember eating them in other meals, so I don't know. At least for burgers, I liked. Ice last tick time. What is what was the color I used? I don't remember. Let's find. It's a map. I think I have the tiles. Purple, of course. Purple. Something I need to reset, I don't know yet. Copy. Curse increased. I need poison. Poison already with. Poison T. Scalability. Oh no, scalability. Poison. Curse level. It's not ice aura, it's. Is it ability poison? Poison tile. That. I don't have damage. I don't have anything I can grow, I guess. You can make pickles at home. And go health-wise, I believe. Curse. Did I have radius? I probably will need to think. The radius was based on area. Okay, so something like this I will need. Tick. Curse poison. This is poison. I don't have last tick time. The only thing I need to check if I have an aura, I guess. Because I'm not the one changing tiles. It's poison. I don't have it. Ability name. Poison. Tile. Poison tile. Ability. ability poison tile. Poison red. I put it in and I scale it. I don't change tiles. Okay, so there's no scaling yet. This is a to-do. I might not need a faction. I put in, I might want the level, so let's keep it so. Okay, so now I assume. No, he's still not happy. What is missing? Did I miss? I'm blind again. Here. I on curse increase. Okay. This is what I forgot. Let's see. I have my things fixed. I need to edit the curse. Curse poison. I need to use it for my boss. Is it the boss or is it, I forgot, is it the area? Area boss ability curse lighting, no? Yes, should be something in on this. What curse lightning? Create ability curse. Does poison exist? No. Why not? Something is missing. I forgot why I do this. But I guess I need one more ability curse. Poison. Add ability curse. Poison. Poison. Something else. I have still lightning in here in some places. The ability curse. Poison. Ability curse. This does feel like might be able to. Ah, there was this linking one reason I do it? Maybe. Where is it? In the area boss. Okay. So now back to Undeath. I have kills poison. Okay, maybe. One is unsaved. Did I not save? Okay, what do I need to check? I need to kill him. The easiest thing to kill him is just stand near. Noon. Curse poison. Okay, and I leave poison ground. So far, so good. But now the level doesn't matter. So I need poison tile. There's nothing in here. Let's say I do tick interval or next tick time, number and radius. Why are you leaving a trail? So it's a bit. I need to curse. So this is some kind of boss monster. I have to have a strategy to defeat him. Currently, I make myself immune. And basically, the moment I defeat this boss, takes a few seconds. Maybe I should make it a bit faster. Then he leaves. Like, okay, this effect, and if I run over it, I get cursed, I call it. So I now leave these tiles. It should be poison, so I take damage from it. My HP ticks down, but it's cannot kill me. But it also works on enemies. So even enemies take damage from this effect. This is idea. It has a positive and negative part. And now I want to radius, give it a radius number. Okay, so why does he complain about tick? Radius is declared here. Tick ability. I can put a radius of 1 and this is it. I'm confused. Why does he complain here? Ah, because I changed this. Okay, I understand. A const poison tile equals ability as ability poison tile. Now I need some tick interval based on speed, I would guess, and based on radius. Let's do a poison tile, next tick time, undefined, or poison tile, next tick time is smaller game state time, so it should tick. Or do I do it differently? Let's do the other way. So if it's not undefined and it's not timed, I return. So now I need to set a time. E equals game state time plus some value. Basically, the slower I am, the less often I need to tick. Const tick interval guess be ability owner move speed, base move speed. So if this exists, if this is zero exist, I would do 40 divided by this? So bigger move speed would tick more often. Maybe. We'll find out over time. This would be times 16 or something. Else I do. It doesn't matter. Else it doesn't matter. So I do. This is. Let's take the 16, or should I? I think this is fine. Faster I think more often. I change tile, but now I have a radius. Okay, I need to. How much time I have still? I want to change all times in a radius. Tiles in a way. Does anything do it? Yes, I do it on Snowman, I guess. Snowman does. Let's see. How did I do it here? Tile radius, calculate distance, and change it. This feels incredibly inefficient, but let's use it. Isn't planned? No. Isn't tile. So now if Python tile radius is, let's say, bigger 5, I do the more complicated one. So let's do it the other way around. Make an else case. I change tile ID. What? Change tile ID of Poison? Of position. Okay, I'm an idiot. Calculate. So I have a tile radius. Tile radius. Let me think. Calculate distance, tile radius. So I consider tiles, which is fair. Need to think a bit. Don't have the character in this case. I have ability owner. XY. Game state tile size. What is your favorite German food? Don't know. Do I have a favorite German food? German food. What is German food? List of German dishes. Printen, Apfelkuchen, Bratkartoffeln. I like Bratkartoffeln. What is it? Potatoes. Baked potatoes? White potatoes. Okay. Bratwurst also I like. Sausages. So sausages, fried potatoes, currywursts also I like. Is there something else? Knödel. Okay, let's go with. Let's go with currywurst. I take currywurst as my favorite German food. Back. Let's try to finish this. Calculate distance. Import. The tile radius. I'm still. Const tile radius is equals poison tile. I need to round it? I guess yes. Poison tile radius divided by game state map set map tile size. And I need to round it probably. Okay, now I need to set it. This happens in the curse. Curse poison. Yeah. I don't know my own culture, correct. No one needs to know it. I think I eat more food from other countries than than German food. And I don't eat that much different food. Ability poison tile. Find it. I scale it. So I have a level. I have a base. I don't know what the values will be. Let's do. Curse radius, but poison tile radius. And like this, I guess. Döner Kebab? Is Döner Kebab, does this count as German? I like it too, but I would have guessed it's from another country. Or more like is Döner Kebab German food? Seems not to be German. At least the first Google search. So we load. I have close cursors. I scale it. I restart. I need to kill him. Just wait. Maybe I should get even faster. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Okay, now I at only 10. And it failed. Why did it fail? Do I find it? Is there some console? No. Hmm. I need to look into the curse, I guess. Is it? No, it's a tile. Ability poison tile. This one should be it. Am I in here? I'm in here. So I have tile radius. One. It's one. Shouldn't be in here if it's one. Wait, calculate distance. So it's now never close enough. So something is unexpected. Area size. The root. So maybe 2000 was correct. I underestimated maybe. Breakpoint is gone. Now close curses. Go a bit. Let's go a bit larger. Experience, maybe this is enough. So it's more. Oh, I didn't reset, but doesn't matter. Let's try. Wait again. There's a time for killing him. 30 seconds or so. Guess that's fine. So it still doesn't work. Let's see if it grows. Can take this away. I see. Let's jump over it. 4. It's a 4. I would expect something. So I never am in here, I guess. I am. Ah, tile eyes. Okay. I didn't change. Is it? Did I see? Ability poison tile. Ability. Don't see it up here. Yep. Tile eyes. Get my idea. Poison. I'm confused. I'm an idiot. Tile ID is. Where did I change? Here. Let me see. Change tile ID of position, change tile ID of map chunk. What is the difference? I think I have to use this one. Wait. But it's this one. This one. One tile. Tile I should have. Now I hope it works. So again, I do close cursors, make myself immune and fast. There it was. And the spider. Okay, this is cleaned. Now I have to on a lot of bosses. Reset to defeat this thingy. Take it away. And how's my time? Still some time left. But I could consider this finished soon, I guess. Okay, now the okay, now I leave a trail behind again. Perfect. And I should make myself immune, maybe. Still one. This is unexpected. Go in here. Tile radius is 4. If it's 4, why doesn't it click multiple times? Clear waypoint. Tile 0. I need to be in here, I guess. For me, it feels like it wants to change something, but let's go in here. Does it fail for some reason? Something feels off. But what is it? Okay, here's my error. I put in always the same position. So this was a copy-paste error. And now it should work. Hope. Let's try. Again, close cursors. I kill. Don't care. Boss spawn. I have to spawn a few bosses. It goes. Now I should go up to some 50 value. In. If my radius is bigger, I have to tick less, I guess. This should poison. It's already increased in size, which is not what I want. 10, but it works at least. Okay, 30 was the next. Now my... Okay. Which is fine, I guess. I didn't like the size, so I think radius 1 to 5 does this. I go to curse, poison. I do maybe 100. And maybe 1,000 per level. And let's see what happens. Let's do. I'm interested in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should be enough. This feels like, I don't know. Find out. So this is already too big. So scales for level 1, I guess. Is it level 0? Let's try 110. Let's see what happens. And close curses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Enough. Fast. Stay in him. Okay. I start with 1. That's perfect. Okay, now I need to see its growth. So start, close curses. Of experience. Where is it? Here. Next. Want a lot. A lot. So this might be a lot. In here. To wait again. Okay, poison. 6, 9, 10. Okay, here it increased. See when the next tick happens. $50, 60, 60, and it's still just a small one. Don't like. So I will. Let me think. I do a mass pow level to the power of 1.5. 200. Let's just try. Curses, immune, experience. Where is it? Can I not? Here. Postpone. A lot of boss, a lot of boss, a lot of boss. I think I'm high enough. Again. This is poison already go on level 5 or so. Which is fine. 15, okay. 30, okay. 48, okay. 64, okay. 57, okay. 100, 104. I mean, it's interesting. Maybe it's too big, but who knows? I don't know if the colors are bad, but now is no. On top, they can take damage. See. But I should come to an end. I reached my limit. I think this is a fair working version. So I have some curse, poison. First king. Map modifier poison. First complete working complete. Commit. I should come to an end. So let's run my tests. This will break. Will it break my tests? Because I have a new random number generation? Maybe. I will find out. Short one has already two failing ones, false and false. This one fails. This one fails. Expect all two fails. Let's think about it. I have one more map modifier active. Somewhere it will use a random seed and it will break everything. What is randomized? It will be interesting if the ball survives. It should at least fail at the boss. Because the damage is different. Yes, okay. The musician should have different upgrades, so it should definitely die. Okay, so I will need new stuff. Close to the white. All. Higher poison cause higher radius. I can check. Plus poison check. Checks how it scaling. Check balance maybe. But I think it might be fine. And it should work. I think I push. It gets deployed. And guess I'm done for today. So I'm done. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. The end.